Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to use the Paintbrush tool to format your document. The first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and remove the formatting on this document that we have English and Spanish translations for various documents. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you English first. I want to take a word that I want to have formatted a certain way. So I'm going to use English here, and I'm going to suggest that it's bold. I want it to be blue because that's our color coding for English-Spanish translation for dual language documents. Okay, not that blue, this blue. And I want it to be underlined to show that it's a hyperlink. So now I'm going to double click my paintbrush, and then I'm going to paint across or highlight words on that document that I want to have the exact same formatting. I want them all to be bold, I want them all to be underlined, and I want them all to be blue. Then I'm going to take my paintbrush, turn it off, and then I'm going to come to Spanish. Spanish in dual language documents is green. Again, I want them to understand that it's a hyperlink, so it's going to be underlined, it's going to be green, it's going to be bold, it's going to be beautiful. I'm going to take that paintbrush, double click it so I can mass assign this formatting throughout my document. And again, swipe across words. I can highlight an individual word, I can highlight a section of words, I can highlight a paragraph, and it's going to take that formatting and adapt it all the way throughout. Quite literally painting the page with that formatting. You can use this once with a single click on the paintbrush, or if you double click on the paintbrush, you can continue to use that formatting throughout your document until you click it off. And that's Paintbrush.